Greetings, my dear mates. Welcome to Eall Garden. Our company founded in 2005, which located in Humen Town, Dongguan City. We are a professional clothing enterprise that integrates design, production, sales, and management. Our belief is to live with nature. Here, we enjoy a year-round harvest of fruits, and our workspace is surrounded by small animals, creating a lively and inspiring environment. Our company has obtained the ISO 9001 International Quality Certification, and we also recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. We also hold multiple design and technical patents in the apparel industry, along with numerous domestic and international design and production awards. Operating with both ODM and OEM models, we are committed to meeting your needs to the fullest. This is our design department. Our professional design team will bring your ideas to life. From style design to fabric selection, we align with market trends while maintaining excellent cost efficiency. Our designers are also proficient in AI tools, allowing us to customize your creative ideas and bring them vividly onto your products. Here is our sample room. In this space, we efficiently transform your design drafts into fabric cutouts. With skilled craftsmanship in sewing, ironing, and size testing, we ensure that every piece of clothing is both comfortable and practical. When the fabric arrives at our factory, we conduct rigorous quality inspections on every batch. We carefully address any color discrepancies or defects, ensuring only high-quality materials go into production. Our workshop consists of nearly 100 workstations and skilled workers. Each garment passes through multiple processes, assigned to specialized machines for precise operations. With extensive experience and excellent techniques, our workers guarantee top-notch product quality and on-time delivery. Before shipment, our team meticulously inspects every piece of clothing. We thoroughly check every detail, trim loose stress, and ensure that each product is delivered to you clean and perfectly finished. In the final shipping phase, we confirm that product weight and select the most efficient, safe, and cost-effective logistic method based on your needs. We support various cross-border logistic options to meet your requirement. Thank you for joining me on this tour. We look forward to have a great business together.